Robots are changing the world. They are no longer just a figment of science fiction. Robots are real, and they are here to stay. In factories, hospitals, and even our homes, robots are taking on increasingly complex tasks. They are increasing efficiency, improving safety, and transforming the way we live and work. The robotics revolution is driven by technological advancements. Artificial intelligence, or AI, enables robots to learn and adapt. Sensors and actuators give them the ability to perceive and interact with their environment. As technology continues to advance, robots are becoming more sophisticated and capable. This rapid progress has led to a surge in the use of robots across various sectors. Healthcare, manufacturing, and daily life are all being reshaped by the power of robotics. From robotic surgeons performing complex procedures to collaborative robots working alongside human workers, the possibilities seem endless. As we delve deeper into the world of robotics, we will explore the transformative impact of this technology on our lives. We will examine the benefits, the challenges, and the ethical considerations that come with this new era of automation and intelligent machines. Healthcare is at the forefront of the robotics revolution. Robots are transforming the way medical professionals diagnose, treat, and care for patients. Robotic surgery, for instance, has emerged as a game-changer in the operating room. Robotic surgical systems provide surgeons with enhanced precision, dexterity, and control. This allows for minimally invasive procedures, smaller incisions, and faster recovery times for patients. Telesurgery, a subset of robotic surgery, enables surgeons to operate on patients remotely. This has the potential to bring specialized medical care to underserved areas. Beyond surgery, robots play a crucial role in diagnostics and treatment. Automated laboratory robots can process samples and analyze data with speed and accuracy. Robots are also used in targeted drug delivery, radiation therapy, and rehabilitation. The use of robots in healthcare is improving patient outcomes, reducing errors, and enhancing efficiency. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications of robotics in medicine. Manufacturing is another industry undergoing a radical transformation thanks to robotics. Robots have become an indispensable part of modern factories, performing a wide range of tasks with precision and speed. Industrial robots excel at repetitive and physically demanding tasks. They can work tirelessly for long hours without breaks, increasing productivity and reducing labor costs. Welding, assembly, painting, and material handling are just a few examples of tasks that robots perform with high efficiency. Collaborative robots, also known as cobots, are designed to work alongside human workers. Cobots can handle hazardous materials, lift heavy objects, and perform intricate tasks, enhancing both productivity and worker safety. The integration of robotics in manufacturing has led to shorter lead times, improved product quality, and increased competitiveness. As automation becomes more sophisticated, we can expect even greater efficiency and flexibility in the manufacturing process. Robots are no longer confined to factories and hospitals. They are increasingly finding their way into our homes, making our lives easier and more convenient. Robotic vacuum cleaners and lawnmowers are already commonplace, automating mundane household chores. Personal assistant robots are becoming more sophisticated, capable of performing a wider range of tasks. These robots can help with cooking, cleaning, laundry, and even provide companionship. For elderly or disabled individuals, assistant robots can offer invaluable support, enabling them to live more independently. Smart home technology is closely intertwined with robotics. Connected devices and appliances can be controlled remotely, creating a more comfortable and energy-efficient living environment. Robots are seamlessly integrating into this ecosystem, enhancing our comfort, security, and entertainment. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect more affordable and versatile robots to enter our homes, further blurring the line between science fiction and reality. Section 5. The Future Landscape: AI, Humanoids, and Ethical Considerations. The future of robotics is brimming with possibilities. Advancements in artificial intelligence, or AI, are at the heart of this progress. AI is enabling robots to learn from their experiences, adapt to changing environments, and make autonomous decisions. Humanoid robots, designed to resemble humans in appearance and capabilities, are another exciting area of development. These robots have the potential to revolutionize industries such as healthcare, hospitality, and customer service. However, the rise of robotics also presents ethical considerations. Job displacement is a major concern, as robots automate tasks previously performed by human workers. It is crucial to address this issue through education, retraining programs, and the creation of new job opportunities. The ethical implications of autonomous robots, particularly in areas such as warfare and law enforcement, require careful consideration. As we develop increasingly intelligent machines, it is essential to establish clear ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure responsible innovation. Section 6. Addressing the challenges, job displacement, and social impact. The rapid advancement of robotics and automation has sparked widespread concern about job displacement. As robots become more sophisticated and capable, there is a growing fear that they will replace human workers in various industries. It is essential to acknowledge and address these concerns. Governments, businesses, and educational institutions must work together to mitigate the potential negative impacts of automation. Retraining programs can equip workers with the skills needed for the jobs of the future. Investing in education and fostering entrepreneurship can create new opportunities in sectors that are less susceptible to automation. A focus on creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills will be crucial in the robotic age. Furthermore, it is important to consider the social impact of widespread robotics adoption. Ensuring equitable access to the benefits of this technology and addressing potential biases in AI algorithms will be crucial for creating a just and inclusive society. Section 7. The importance of education and adaptation in the robotic age. The rise of robotics necessitates a fundamental shift in our approach to education and workforce development. Traditional education models must adapt to equip individuals with the skills and knowledge required to thrive in a world increasingly shaped by automation. STEM education, which stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, will play a vital role in preparing future generations for careers in robotics and related fields. However, it is equally important to foster creativity, critical thinking, problem-solving abilities, and adaptability. Lifelong learning will become increasingly essential. As technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, individuals will need to continuously update their skills and knowledge to remain competitive in the job market. Online learning platforms, vocational training programs, and industry-sponsored certifications will play a crucial role in facilitating lifelong learning. By embracing a culture of continuous learning and adaptation, we can empower individuals to navigate the challenges and seize the opportunities presented by the robotic age. Section 8. Embracing the potential robotics for a better future. While the rise of robotics presents challenges, it also offers tremendous potential for a better future. By automating dangerous, repetitive, and mundane tasks, robots can free up human workers to focus on more creative, fulfilling, and higher-level tasks. In healthcare, robots can assist surgeons with greater precision, enable remote medical care, and provide companionship to the elderly. In manufacturing, robots can increase efficiency, improve product quality, and create safer working environments. In our homes, robots can automate household chores, provide assistance, and enhance our comfort and security. Moreover, robots can be deployed in hazardous environments, such as disaster zones and deep-sea exploration, where human safety is a concern. They can also assist in scientific research, collecting data and conducting experiments with greater accuracy and efficiency. By embracing the potential of robotics while addressing the associated challenges, we can harness this transformative technology to create a future where humans and machines work together to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. Section 9. Conclusion: a call to explore and shape the future of robotics. The robotics revolution is upon us, bringing both unprecedented opportunities and profound challenges. From healthcare and manufacturing to our homes and daily lives, robots are transforming the world as we know it. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, it is imperative that we approach robotics with a balanced perspective, embracing its potential while carefully considering its implications. We must invest in education and workforce development to prepare current and future generations for the jobs of the future. We must address the ethical considerations surrounding artificial intelligence and ensure that robots are developed and deployed responsibly. and we must engage in thoughtful dialogue to shape the future of robotics in a way that benefits all of humanity. The future of robotics is not predetermined. It is a future that we will shape through our choices, our actions, and our willingness to engage in open and honest conversations about the role we want robots to play in our lives. Let us embrace the transformative power of robotics while remaining mindful of its complexities, working together to create a future where humans and machines coexist and collaborate.